Hey y'all, I'm back. We're gonna unbox another wig. This one is from Luxe Diva on Amazon. This is a 20-inch T-middle. Let's get into it. See what we're working with. I'm in my bathroom, y'all, so I guess see the scale on the floor and the rest. That's good. 20-inch. There it goes. Nothing on a cute box. Comes with a wig cap. Look at that. That's going to be another cute one. It's supposed to be a straight. I don't know if I can get y'all in close up on this. Let's see. Let's see if I can pick this up so y'all can see it. This is what she's looking like, straight out the box. Inside, it's probably pretty much like the first one I did for all run. This one has, oh, this one's a little different. The other one had just one comb in the back. This one has a comb in the back, excuse me, comb in the back, and two on the side and the front. Let's turn it inside out so you can see it. One comb there, the other comb is there. And that's the T. There you go, right there in the middle. Okay, let's get into this. We're gonna get it put on. Much like the first wig, I'm spraying the inside first with this. I'll go back over it with some makeup and stuff afterwards. Unlike the other one, I'm gonna sew on a band because I just don't feel like going through all the glue and stuff. So what y'all won't see is me actually sewing this on because I just think it's gonna take too long. So I'll come back once I have this sewn on and I'll see how it's gonna all come together. I figure I'll show you what it looks like prior to me sewing on the band. And what's crazy is I think she fits a lot better than the body wave one I did on my last video, if y'all go back and watch it. So I think this will probably be really quick and easy with me putting a band on, no gluing. I think this will be really quick and easy. This is what the 20 inches is looking like. Of course, it's layered, so it's not a complete 20 inch all the way around. It's just mostly the back. You'll see a better look once I get everything done, but I figure I'll just at least show y'all what we're working with. You see that? Everything looks pretty good. So when I go in, it already has some baby hairs up in there. So we're gonna sew this sucker, sew this band on. So if I wanna just put on a quick wig, I ain't gotta worry about gluing and all of that, because I really hate having to do the glue and the spray and all of that on my head. All right, I'll see y'all once I have this band on. Y'all see that? She's looking cute, all right?
Okay, yeah, so I finished the band. The band is on. Now we're going to cut this lace and then start trying to style this bad boy. I've already started. I put a little slit there. So we're just going to take it on up. And as you can see, I never do a clean cut. Mine are always, I try to make them as unperfect as possible because nobody's hair that's the same, right? So we're just going to cut. Get this, I'm just kind of taking too long. I'll go back and fix all of these raggedy edges, because I don't want them super neat anyway.
Okay, so if y'all hear anybody in the background, I got Prince Cameron in the bathroom with me. But I finished. My headband is on. This is what it's looking like. Headband, no glue, glueless. This is probably how I would do this one. What I am going to go back in and do, even though, did y'all hear him just there? Even though I have some, I'm going to go ahead and probably go up in here, and we're going to probably pluck a little bit just to make this look a little more realistic. So I'll probably, he's standing on my scale, my weight scale. He likes to get on there. His mama started that with him when he was very young. So now every time he comes in my bathroom, he has to get on the scale. Like he's gained some weight. You don't never gain any weight. But yeah, I'm gonna try and go in here, and we're gonna try and see if we can pluck a little bit. We're gonna see. So I don't really know how much I can actually do, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure that out. So y'all watch on. I gotta find my, I'll be right back. I gotta find my, I'm on my husband's side of the sink because his is a lot neater than mine. I got a bunch of crap on mine, you know, females, we got stuff. Hold on. I'll let somebody else do it. But for me, I just wanna, see, y'all heard that? And I'm recording. You see how rude they are? See what I be putting up with? His mama scared him.
Ain't fun.
His mama scared him, y'all. Let's see. You know what? I might not even pluck this bad boy. I might just try and do some more baby hairs on it and keep it rolling. Let's see. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do some more baby hairs to it. Because I'm grown, so I don't like, my daughter tell you I really don't like baby hairs at all, but enough just to make everything look more natural. We will do what we have to do. See, it's right there. Just want to pull those out. I know it don't look like I did anything, but believe me, y'all, I did. Let's watch. We're gonna curl. And we're gonna wardrobe, let's come together. I'm gonna flat iron this sucker down as much as possible. Because when I take this off, I'm actually gonna wash my hair. Because right now it's like, I'm natural. So it's so thick up underneath here. You have no idea. It took me a minute to do this like 2-3 times because I had to take my braid out because it was so thick that it had the back like sitting out. So I had to go back in and redo it. But yeah, let's get this done. Because I might wear this to work tomorrow. Thank you, Prince Cameron. We thank you. Y'all want to see him real quick? He need his hair done too. Come on. Let them see him. Real fast. Look. Say hi. Like he's like, where is it? Say hi. See? Mwah. All right. Go. Oh, we in potty training. Well, we got our undies on. And he is one. Time has flown. That's how he feels about potty training, but you know, hey, has to get done, right? Okay. So let us start curling. Well, I'm gonna just flat iron it. That's what we're gonna do. Let's get some. Let's beat the face so y'all can get a full. This is what she is looking like. came out beautifully. This hair is also everything. I may have to get maybe another one if they have a different color. What y'all think? I think I did good. This is my first time actually doing the band method, and I am so loving it. And I thought I would have a hard time, but I didn't. What y'all think? I think she did. I think I did good. I just probably need to braid down my hair because it's so thick. But other than that,